I'm in LA getting loaded. My dog got some posts for the high and a little by the low, you would think that he grow it. Finna hop on a road by the shop for some clothes by the low, make it hard not to notice.
Plug. What's going on, Dom Mafia? Look, I ain't gonna lie, it feel good to be back. Woo! I was a little sick, as you guys can. I'm still a little sick, just a little bit. Anyways, as you guys see, we are close to 9,000 subscribers. God is so good, and I hope y'all read that Bible verse in the beginning of the video. But as you guys can see by the title and thumbnail of the video,
come on now, dawg.
yes, we'll be unboxing the Balenciaga white fur boots. I know you guys recently see me unbox the tan ones. It's not too much of a difference, but I still wanted to show y'all what exactly they look like and where exactly you guys can cop these shoes from. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you just subscribed. Welcome to the Dom Mafia, the Dom family. I appreciate y'all. Let's get straight into the video. That was lame as hell. Anyway, let's get to it. As you guys can see, it's kind of the same thing as the other tan Balenciaga fur boots. Come in this big old box. I think this box is, I don't know, I guess it's just a box. I don't really care for the box. But as you can see Balenciaga on it. I don't get why they do these small little words and then this big old box. Like, maybe they should do like Balenciaga. What am I talking about? I'm not working for Balenciaga. Shut up, Dom. Just show the shoes. Anyways, yes, the other tan boots. I will show you guys this, the shoe size on the side. Balenciaga got the barcode, size and everything. If you guys are a size 10, it's a size 44 in Euro size. If you guys are size, like, honestly, if you like a size 10, go with either a 44 or a 43. If you want it to be more snugged on your feet, definitely say size down and go 43. But 44 also not too bad. But it's kind of like it'll flop off the back of your heel just a little bit, not overly. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all that information. That being said, let's open it. As you guys can see, what the?
Oh my god.
Oh, Balenciaga boots. Where the Balenciaga? So I'll be showing y'all today exactly. There is nothing in the Balenciaga box. I pretty much just trolled y'all. Psych, y'all not gonna see stupid ass. As you guys can see, these are the Balenciaga white fur boots. I'm not gonna lie. I've been kind of in like, I was like, damn, which one is better, the tan or the white? The white is like different, especially if you live like in a snowy area. But let me show you. I feel like, damn, I don't know, white or tan, which one y'all going with? But let's get just an overlook of the shoe. I have worn these a few times, I'm not gonna lie, but these are what the shoes look like. I love these shoes so much just due to the toe box. Like, the toe box is so huge, and it just makes you like pop out and stand out like from like the world. Like, I feel like the world, a lot of people in the world don't got these, and I feel like I'm just like Batman with these or something. I don't even know. But yeah, it's kind of like the tan ones that you guys seen. I wouldn't say get the overly high ones. Either get the super low cut ones or the mid ones, because the ones that are like overly like this big, like that's gonna be up to your knee. You don't want that. These are the mid ones, so keep that in mind. This is what the fur is looking like inside. Look at that, it's so comfy inside, bro. Like, your feet are gonna, one thing I can say, your feet gonna be overly warm, but do not be that person that wear no socks. That's like wearing Uggs with no, that's, your feet gonna be stank and your shoe gonna be stank as hell. This is the bottom. What's fire about it too is that, like, when you step in like snow or something, if you live in the snowy areas, this fire is like, it leaves the imprint of it saying a Balenciaga. I could put a picture up and show y'all exactly what I mean. I did it, I ain't gonna lie, it was kind of some aura, I ain't gonna hold y'all. But I'm gonna give y'all an on-feet review, and I low-key gonna show you guys some outfits that you guys can wear with these two, give you some outfit inspo if you guys are lost. I'm like, yo, I really want these, but how the hell would I style them? Trust me, I've been there. I know how that is. Like, damn, I need some inspo, like how to make this shoe pop out the most and how I can style these the best. So here are some pictures on how you can style these shoes. You can wear it with some baggy, you can wear it with some shorts. I don't know where you live. You might live on Cali, you might live on the East Coast. It might be cold as hell right now with the snow, or it might be hot as hell where you live. But the thing about these shoes is you can wear these shoes in any type of weather. That's the best part. And you can just style them however you want to style them. I would go with baggy. Personally, just to look good with it. Baggy ripped denim, or like flared denim that's ripped up too. And then like on the top, like obviously probably like a cardigan or like Carhartt hoodie. Like, I don't know, there's so much that you could possibly do with these shoes, and I love that. Like, it's like infinite outfits you could wear with this type of shoe. That being said, I'm gonna give y'all the on feet review. Let's get to it. Now I'm pretty much gonna give y'all what it looks like when you stomp on some snow and leave that footprint behind. Let me do it right here for you. It says Balenciaga. When you're stepping in that snow, I feel like it's so fire. Just if you live in the snow. If you don't live in the snow, oh well. But I guess it's an advantage for those who live in the snow. That being said, that will showcase the Balenciaga white fur boots. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, tapping in. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Be on the lookout for more dope videos. I will be in Japan pretty soon, so I might be a little inactive. That being said, I hope you have a blessed day. And let me know what shoes you guys want to see next or what videos. Peace.